Hello, my name is Richard and I'm one of the transaction managers here at Bridgend Ford, and I'm really excited to tell you all about a great product called gap insurance, which is available to you on your brand new car purchase. Now, a very quick overview, what is gap? Now, gap stands for Guaranteed Asset Protection. Yes, it's an insurance policy that you can choose to take on your new vehicle to protect you against any financial loss should your new vehicle in the 3 years of ownership ever be stolen, written off or flood damaged. Now, to explain this a little bit better, I've drawn a simple graph which will explain if we start with a car with an invoice price of £20,000, if you're on an options deal, we know, for example, the guaranteed future value of the car in 3 years' time is approximately £10,000 for an example. Now, what will gap insurance do for you? Let's say, for example, at any point in your 3-year term, your vehicle is actually written off, stolen or flood damaged. What traditionally will happen is you will contact your insurance company to actually put in a claim. Now, once that claim has gone through, they will actually settle on a financial amount of money to pay yourself. As you can appreciate, depending on that amount of money, you will still have an outstanding amount to settle on finance with Ford Credit. Some people, depending on where you are, will obviously have to make up some shortfall, i.e. you may have to pay from your own pocket any difference before you can clear that finance away. Gap insurance is there to actually protect you against any financial loss should that arise. So, customer pays £20,000, which is the invoice price for the car, guaranteed future value in 3 years of £10,000. Let's say you're literally just about to finish your current options agreement. The car is then stolen, written off or flood damaged. You then proceed to make a claim through your insurance company, okay? As an example, let's say they agree to pay you £11,000. Traditionally what will happen, whatever this value is here, they will always take your excess that you need to pay before sending you the money. Now, on average at the moment, most people will have an excess to pay for a loss of around £250. As you can appreciate, that can go up, normally dependent on age of the driver. So if we put £250 is the excess, obviously when that's taken away, you are then left with that difference and Ford Credit is then cleared. You then traditionally will pick another car. You may then want to put a deposit, depending on monthly payments, and you start the ball rolling again on another new car for 3-4 years, okay? Now, if you take gap insurance, the minute your insurance company decides to write the vehicle off, we then advise you to contact the gap insurance because they, on your behalf, will negotiate with your insurance company so that they pay you the highest amount possible, okay? And that's traditionally based on a cap clean valuation. Now, coming back to the invoice price of the car, on a successful gap claim, they will always pay you the difference between the invoice price of the new car minus what the road fund license and first registration fee was on that vehicle, okay? They always then give you the difference between the insurance company's payout all the way back to this amount here. Hence the term gap insurance, it actually bridges this gap. Now, you can clearly see with a total sum coming back of £20,000, a settlement of 10 minus your excess, you will be in a very, very comfortable financial position. Gap insurance will actually cover you and reimburse you for an excess up to £500. like I say, it does cover you for 3 years, okay? Obviously, there are terms and conditions on that policy, which we can discuss further with you before you take delivery of your brand new car. And obviously, if there's any questions that you have, either myself or my colleague Chris can very quickly answer them for you. And obviously, depending on your excess, we can show you an example based on actual figures for your own finance agreement on your new car. So, peace of mind cover starts from as little as £350 for a full 3-year gap insurance. Hope you enjoy your car. Many thanks.